Good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are going to continue with chapter 10, straight lines, exercise 10.1, question number 10. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3 comma minus 1 and 4 comma minus 2. So I have taken these 2 points as A and B. 3 comma minus 1 I have taken as A, and B I have taken as 4 comma minus 1. I have extended this line. I have extended this line. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the angle between the x-axis and the line joining these 2 points. Okay. So there are two angles over here. This is also one angle, right? This is one angle with the x-axis, and also this is one more angle, right? Yes. This can also be one angle with the x-axis. This is also one angle with the x-axis. But in this case, which do you think they are asking? Which is the angle they are talking about? They are talking about this yellow angle, not the red one. Okay, is that clear? Every time we have to take it from the line clockwise, itara clockwise. So if the question is find the angle with respect to y-axis, then this is also one angle, this is also one angle, right? If they are asking for x-axis, then you have to be taking this. If they are asking for y-axis, then you should be finding out this angle, not this angle, because this is also y-axis, right? Okay, I think that part is clear. So let us move to solving the question, right? So we have to find the angle between them. So how can I find the angle between them? Can I tell that I know that slope of a line is given by m, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which is also equal to tan theta. Can I tell that? Yes. Yes. Now I have to find out my m using y1 minus y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. After I get that value, I can equate that with tan theta, and then I can find out the value of theta. Okay, this is what we are doing in this question. So let me take A and B. So the A is 3 comma minus 1, B is 4 comma minus 2. Let this be x1 y1, let this be x2 and y2. Now I can write m is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 I can write as minus 2 minus of minus 1 the whole divided by x2 minus x1. So will that be 4 minus 3? Yes. So I will be getting the answer as, sorry, minus 2, minus into minus is plus, plus 1 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1, minus 1 divided by 1. So can I tell that value of m I'm getting as minus 1? Yes. Now since the value of m is minus 1, I can tell that since m is equal to tan theta, I can tell m will be equal to, or tan theta will be equal to minus 1. Can I tell this? Yes? Okay. Now, what will be your angle theta when the value is minus 1? Tan of angle is minus 1. What do you think will be the angle? Any idea? Okay. So let us assume tan theta is equal to 1. Now can you tell me what is the angle? Will it be 45 degree? Yes, it should be 45 degree. Now, which is the angle we are talking about? This is the angle we are talking about. Right? Correct? Do you think this is 45? Is 45 irak sadhyana? No. Right? It is an obtuse angle, so it should be greater than 45 degree. You understand that much, right? Yes. Okay. Now, what is the value here? We are getting the value as -1. Tan is 1, then you will be getting the theta as 45 degree. But here the tan theta value is -1. I think I have already told you about ASTC. Have I told you about that? When we were studying about quadrants, I think I had mentioned about this, right? ASTC. What does this mean? In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios will be positive. In the second quadrant, sine and cosecant will be positive. In the third, tan and cot will be positive. In the fourth one, cos and secant will be positive. Now, since the value of tan is -1, it cannot come in the first quadrant, right? Can it come in the first quadrant? Il barak sadhyana? No, because this is a plus value and it starts with 0 to 90 degree. So it cannot be 0 to 90 degree, nor it can be here also, because tan is positive here, right? So it cannot be any angle in between 90 to 180 degree. Also, it is not possible. Also, 180 to 180 degree to sorry, this is 270, this is 180. 180 to 270 is not possible because tan value will be positive here and we are getting a negative value. It cannot be in your fourth quadrant also. Why? Because this is not the angle we are measuring, this is the angle we are measuring, right? So which quadrant it has to lie? It has to lie in the second quadrant, right? Since it has to lie in the second quadrant, okay, since it has to lie in the second quadrant, can I tell that here tan theta, if it is equal to -1, then theta is going to be equal to 90 degree plus 45 degree. Why 90 plus 45? Because it cannot come in the first quadrant. So I know it has to be in between 40 to 180 degree only. I already know that only for the value of 1, I will be getting theta as 45 degree. So if it is equal to -1, then it has to be 90 plus 45. Is that clear? Or it can also be 270 degree plus 45. This is also correct, but fourth quadrant we are not taking in this case. Okay, both are correct here. Whenever tan theta is equal to -1, theta can be 90 plus 45, or it can be 270 plus 45 also. But this we need not consider because our angle lies in the second quadrant, meaning that 90 to 180, our angle should be in between 90 to 180 degree. 270 plus 45 will be extending 180, so I need not consider that. So the angle is going to be 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 is going to be how much? 135. So I can tell that the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3 comma -1 and b 4 comma -2 is 135 degree. I hope this question is clear. Let us move on to the 12th question. A line passes through x1, y1 and h comma k. If slope of a line is m, show that k minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by h minus x1. So let me take a line here and I will write that to be a, which is x1 comma y1, and let me take I'll be doing that later, okay? Because it has one more formula which I want to discuss. So later I will be doing. I know I have skipped. Okay. So B can be taken as h comma k. This is what is being given in the question, right? Now, if the slope of the line is m, slope is also given. We have to prove this, right? So let me write whatever is given here. It is given that slope of line is m. The slope of the line is m. The slope of a line passing through the point A and B, that can be written as x2 minus x1. sorry, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? So this I can consider as, anyway it is x1 y1 only, they have not taken any other coordinates, they have taken as x1 y1 only. Here they have taken as x h comma k, this you can consider as x2 y2, right? Now if I have 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, right, then what will be the slope of the line? I can write that slope of line AB will be given by m, it is given as m, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I will continue writing m is equal to y2 minus y1, which is nothing but k minus y1, right? So k minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, x2 is h, minus x1, which is x1 itself, right? Now I can write m as m divided by 1. Any number can be written as divided by 1, it does not change the value of the number. Now can you take the cross product here? Yes, you can take the cross product over here. Whenever you take the cross product, you will be getting k minus y1 on the LHS. This will be equal to m multiplied by h minus x1. Is this what we had to prove? So you can write, hence proved. This is how you will be solving question number 10. Can we move on to the next question? Question number 13. 3 points h comma 0, a comma b and 0 comma k lie on a line. Show that a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. This is what we have to do. So I have plotted 3 points and taken that as a, b and c. A is h comma 0, b is a comma b, c is 0 comma k. Now if 3 points lie on a same line, what are these points called? Can I tell that A, B, and C are collinear points? Points which lie on the same line are called collinear points. And if the lines are collinear, can I tell that the slope of AB and the slope of BC, it should be the same, because AC is the same line, right? AB is just the extension of BC. Yes. Yes. So I can write that slope, since AB and BC are on the same line, or you can tell, since A comma B comma C are collinear points, I can tell that the slope of the line AB, this should be equal to the slope of BC. Okay. Now let us take the slope of AB first. Slope of AB I'll be taking over here. Slope of BC I will be taking over here. So I will be writing this as m. Here also I'll be taking as m because both are equal, right? The slope of AB. How do I find the slope of a line? Whenever two coordinates are given, I can write y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So y1 or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Since the line I'm considering is AB, so let me take this point to be x1 y1 and this point to be x2 y2. So I will be getting here b minus 0 divided by a minus h. This is going to be the slope of AB. However, I'm going to simplify that later. Coming to the line BC. Now, if I want to find the slope of BC, then I can consider x1 and x2. B I can take as x1 and y1. C I can take as x2 and y2. Again, the slope is given by the same formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, in this case, y2 is k, so I can write k minus b divided by 0 minus a. So this is going to be the slope of the line BC. Now, since A, B and C are collinear, both the slopes should be equal, right? Yes. Now, can I just equate this one and I'll be ending up with the answer? Yes. Okay. Now, if I do the same thing, so let me take this as in the next page. So this I can write as b divided by a minus h. So b divided by a minus h. This should be equal to k minus b divided by 0 minus a. Can I write as minus a itself? So k minus b whole divided by minus a. Right? With me? Okay. Now, how do you think we can solve the same? I can take the cross product over here. Yes. Taking the cross product, I will be ending up with that is a into b with a minus sign. So I can write minus ab. It is going to be equal to k minus b multiplied by a minus h. Right? Now a minus ab is going to be k into a. I can write as ka. K into h is minus kh. Minus b into a is minus ab. I can write minus b into minus h. I can write plus bh. Is this what I'll be getting? Now I can cancel minus ab with minus ab. Can I do that? I can cancel minus AB with minus AB, and minus KH I'll be sending to the other side. So if I do that, I will be getting, or I'll be ending up with minus KH is going to the other side. So I can tell plus KH is going to be KA plus BH. Can I tell this? Yes. Now, let me take the same to the next slide. So, if KH is equal to KA plus BH, can I write the same thing as KA plus BH is equal to AB? Sorry, is equal to KH. Same thing, right? LHS I'm sending to the RHS. This is coming here. That is the only difference I'm making. Okay. Now, can I divide KH on both the sides? Divide KH on both sides. When I divide KH on both the sides, I will be ending up with KA divided by KH plus BH divided by KH is equal to KH divided by KH. KH and KH I can cancel. K and K I can cancel. H and H also I can cancel. So I will be left out with A by H here plus B by K here is equal to KH by KH. It is nothing but 1. So I'll be ending up with A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. This is what we had to show. So you can write hence proved. Is the question clear? Okay. So we'll be moving on to the last question of exercise 10.1. 14th question. Consider the following population and year graph. Find the slope of line AB and using it, find out what will be the population in the year 2010. So they have given 2 points A and B. They are asking what will be the population at the year 200 and sorry 2010. Okay, now x-axis is taken as years and y-axis is taken as your population. If AB is on the straight, meaning that at point A in the year 1985 the population was 92, 1995 the population was 97. Similarly, when you extend the line, what will be the population when the year is 210? So basically what we have to find out in the question is we have to find out this point and I can take that as C. Is that clear? Yes. X comma y. Let me take this point. I don't know, so let me take it as x comma y. So this is the point which we have to find out. What is your x over here? X is years, right? Yes. 1985 here, 1985 is taken, 1995 it is taken here. So 210, what will be the value of x over here? Can I tell that C value x will be 210? So I can write this point is C, which is 210 comma y. I don't know. Y is what? Y is the population, right? This is what I have to find out. So in the question, what I need to find out, I need to find the value of y. Did you understand what we need to find in the question? Yes. Okay, so I can tell that the slope, since this C line also lies on the same line as AB, meaning that it should lie on the same line. That is what they are asking, right? So if they lie on a same line, can I tell that the slope of AB should be equal to the slope of BC, since they are the same line, right? So I understand that slope of line AB should be equal to the slope of line BC. Now I can start solving the same. I can easily find the slope of the line AB. Slope of the line AB is given by m, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here I can take A as 192 sorry 1985 comma 92. So let this be x1, let this be y1. Now at the point B, let this be x2, let this be y2. Y2 minus y1, what is y2 minus y1? It is going to be 97 minus 92 divided by x2 minus x1, which is 1995 minus 185. Upon solving, I will be getting m is equal to 97 minus 92. It is going to be 5 over 1995 minus 185. Is it going to be 10? So upon cancelling, I will be getting the value of m, which is 1 over 2. So the slope of line AB is how much? It is 1 over 2. Now, if the slope of the line AB is 1 over 2, I can write that slope of line BC should also be equal to 1 over 2, right? Because it is the same line. Now, I can find out the slope of line BC. Slope of line BC is again given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Sorry, x2 minus x1. Now let me consider this point to be x1 and let this point to be y1. Here I have taken the value as C. C is x comma y. X is nothing but the years. They have already given what is the year. So it will be 2010 comma y. We need to find out what is the value of y. So slope of the line BC I will be getting as y2 minus y1. Y2 is y only. y minus y1 is 97, y minus 97 divided by 210, sorry, 2010 minus 1995. This will be the slope of the line BC, but this should be equal to what? Should be this be equal to 1 over 2? Yes, correct. Okay, now 210 minus, sorry, 2010 minus 1995, what will be the answer? So I can write this as y minus 97 divided by 15 will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Yes, now I can take the cross product. Taking the cross product, I will be getting as 2 multiplied by y minus 97 is going to be equal to 15 into 1. 15 into 1. So I can write over here 2 into y minus 97 into 2. What is going to be 97 into 2? 194. Yes, so it is going to be 194 is equal to 15. Now 2y can be written as 15 plus 194. So I can write 2y as 209. Right? So what will be the value of y? Value of y is 209 divided by 2, or you can write that as 104.5. But what is the value of y actually? So this is the point which we are finding out, right? We are finding out a point C which is 2010, meaning that in the year 210, 2010, what will be the population? The population is going to be 104 point. So you can write your final answer that in year 2010 population is going to be 104.5 crores. This is how you will be solving the 14th question.